behalf of Awesome Pathak School, myself Jayashree Trivedi will welcome you on online tutorials. Today we are discussing with these online concepts. Here today I would like to discuss about this online chapter and our syllabus first chapter. The name is The Fun They Had. How the children fun when they are in the school. The writer of this chapter is Isaac Asimov, born on 2nd January 1920. When he was a toddler, his family have a candy shop, and now the little children have to responsibility to fulfill their needs, and they have to work out at the candy shop. And they are in the USA. After some time, the author belongs to Russia, but after some time they migrate in the USA, where they learn more and more, they studied more, they became a good writer. Apart from this, they have good happiness and fond of reading books too. They have to like the subject of astronomy too, biology too, basic knowledge of another things too. Here, the Isaac Asimov received two very big and very prestige awards. One is Hugo Award and second is Nebula Award. He won for his more writing and fictional work. Apart from science and fiction, they have to go in a library too. So many times they read the book and get the knowledge from the library. And after his journey of his history and of his present day is over, and his death was on 6 April 1992. So we have left this good writer in the 19th century. Here, what is the theme of this story? Here the story gives a concept of future schools. Here the story gives a very good difference between the old age schools and the future schools. Here all the future schools may comes on the online. Just we are all doing this online study. Same way here two characters given there. Their opinion about the future schools and their grandfathers, their ancestors, how they enjoy, how the future school is there, the concepts of future school is there, and the concepts of old school. Here are vivid pictures of them about the regarding of this school. Here the theme of this story is that the picture of future school, how the future schools will be going on. They are online. Digitalization is there. Then we read the e-books. The concepts of e-books is here. All the text is covering in the e-books, means electronic books like the mobile. We can use laptop, we can use tablet, we can use pager too. And the online test is there. We cannot have a class test. That is the concept of future school. Different from the present school and old school. Here the concept is very much clear there. How the old school is there and how the present school is here and how the future school is there. Here we have to learn 3 tenses there. And here the two very good characters, they give the opinion about their school, they give the opinion about the schools, the future schools. So here how the Margie and Tommy fun in the school, how the Tommy fun in the school, how Margie hate in the school, why the Margie did not like the homework, how Tommy's mechanical teacher learns the geography and history. Then both of school now in an online and the school is on her bedroom. So let's understand more about this chapter. Understand the chapter with the concepts. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy. Here we are going to the past. When Margie's grandfather talking about Margie, how we learn from the school, how we have books and how the color of the books. Here in the first paragraph we learn about the previous school. We learn about the old days school. His grandfather told him that There was a time when old stories were on the printed paper. Margie's grandfather's time, at that time before 15 years ago, they have printed pages. They turned the pages of color, the yellow color, which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means funny to TV. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed on a screen, you know. Now here, the conversation between Margie and her grandfather. Grandfather told her that when we were in the school, at that time, the pages were written, the books of Ramayana, Gita, Mahabharata, Vedas, all are on the printed pages. But in the present time, when we see the 15 years ago book, it was in the yellowish color, the pages are crinkly there. So here from the first paragraph, we ask one line question is that in our board exam, in our school exam, the comprehension part of the textbook is there. So we have to give the answer. The first question here we get, the old stories were printed on paper. Who spoke this sentence? Here we have answer is that the grandfather's this words. How were the pages on that printed book? The pages are in yellow color and they are crinkly. So this type of question answer we have to give on, that is one line question on the 4 marks. Now again, Geo said Tommy, what a vast. Here one very good funny character. Tommy said Geo means geometry, means geographical. Here it was a very boring lecture for that boy. The words moving, what a waste, it was a completely waste of time. When you were through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had 1 million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Here the Tommy gives the idea and concept of the future school because at that time online tutorial is there. So in a digital way, Tommy could not receive much. Now the paragraph of Margie. Margie always hated school. Tommy loved the school while Margie hated the school. But now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her tests and tests in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her hand sorrowfully and sent into the country inspector. Margie did not like to learn geography. When her teacher explained geography chapter and given such tests and given such homework, Margie always hated her. Margie did not like this subject very much. So her mother changed the teacher and sent her to a country inspector. So here we can, from this paragraph, we can give the question answer too. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Now the country inspector came. First of all, when we starting to learning with the children, through the children, our face should be smiling and children look like sweet balls of laddu. They are standing from the goal. So we have never hate them. We have to love them. Here, new teacher arriving and he gives an apple to the Margie and took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. What does he refer to here? Here, he refers to the country inspector. Country inspector means the new teacher. Why does he give Margie to an apple? Why he has given an apple to the Margie? Because to make her happy, because Margie likes apple very much and doing all these things they have in a simple way. Next, the inspector had smiled after he was finished and pat the Margie's hand. He has finished his part and patted it. Here are two types of when the sadness is going on, we can pat on the back side of the shoulder, and when we have on the victory at that time proudly we pat on the shoulder too. He said to her mother, it is not the little girl's fault. Here the fault is not of your daughter. Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was granted a little too quick. Now, Mrs. John was a mother of Margie, and inspector told her that it was not the fault of Margie, but the syllabus is very much going and it is too tough. The inspector said to the Margie, "Dear, would you like to learn geography?" Margie nodded and no sir, I don't like it. But how I simplify the chapter, and then you can understand this. Let's learn more about this chapter. Here Margie and Tommy was loving points and hated points. We next learn. I give you the fun they had short summary of the chapter. Chapter number 6 and learn at home from your textbook. Here the short summary is there. Introduction. What is the introduction of the story? The story title started with that when Tommy and Margie they are the attic and they found a real book. On the same day, they talk about with their grandfather. This story deals with a lovely little boy and girl, Tommy and Margie. They find out something about the school of the past. On 17th May 2157, that means the time is in future, but here given the past school. Tommy, a 13-year-old boy, into a real book and in the attic. Find from the attic. Attic means place on the roof where we kept our all unusual things. In the attic, which has been printed on the pages. Tommy and Margie both take a book on it and asking more and more patient to the grandfather. Then the real book. What is called the real book? Okay, the concept of the real book is here. The book is really old and the pages are yellow and wrinkles crinkly. Wrinkles means चूरियों वाला, फटे, जल्दी से फट जाने वाला, wrinkly. But Margie and the pages are yellow and crinkly in the year 2157. This kind of books will not exist anymore. At that time, words will more on a TV screen. Digital sector is there. Their TVs can contain over 1 million books. You know about million? Million means 10 lakhs. 1 million means 10 lakhs. And then 100 million, that is billion. Then crorepati, abjopati. Then 1 with the 25 zeros, that is called kharvopati. You have to be. That is why Tommy thinks that they are much better than the all school, because the printed pages were yellow. Now we have on the white pages is there. Here the concepts of Tommy and Margie is that Margie hated the school and Tommy loved the school. Here both have opinion. What is the Margie's opinion about the school? What is Tommy's opinion about the school? Here we get the contemporary study, controversy study about the Margie and Tommy. Margie hated for the school. Why? He says that the book is about school because not anyone goes to school, not anyone likes to school, but our parents send it to forcefully. Sometimes our parents send us on the school with politely given some chocolates, given some candy too, and given some fulfillment too. Anyone never want to like school. But Margie hates school and she does not understand why someone would write about it. What is the concept of the school? Because she hates the school. Sometimes when we are suffering from any subject, we thought about that. Who find English that? Why the madam is teaching English? Who find maths is there? When we are boring with that subject, our mind is thinking about that. It is black large. She is having problem of with learning geography from her mechanical teacher in the black large and has a screen on it. It teaches the students, gives them exercise and asks them question and again give them test too. Margie had this thought, well, she has to insert the homework and the test papers too. Once the geography teacher, the mechanical teacher was too quick as she got was exam before. The country inspector rebuilt it after come 1 hour. Then Margie had the geography teacher, her mother Mrs. John, sent her into country inspector. And he loves Margie very much. He gives an apple and politely he transfers her to the interest of the meeting. He was nice to Margie. She hoped that her mechanical teacher would be taken away for a longer time, and like Tommy's history teacher, here both have different subjects hated. Here, what is about Tommy? What is the opinion about Tommy? Tommy said that he has a book found in about their type of the school. Actually, it is about the school of the centuries ago. And he finds the students in the past had a real man as a teacher. Here, the students and teacher enjoy the fun. When the class is alive, when the students are in the school, they have fun there, they have enjoyed there, they have interaction with each other. But the online have nothing like to fun. But they need to learn from this day. So here the concept of future school is very much clear. Now Margie's opinion about the old school. What is the opinion about old school? To Margie, first Margie could not understand as a real man who teach, but we are suffering from that. The real man teach the students and they were learning much more. They have faced the problem at the time teacher politely understand that. Here I give you the glossary of page number 5 and 6. What is the means? This hard word. Had means title. Means full of wrinkles. जैसे हमारे दादा दादी होते हैं. When we have grandfather, the old age person, the skin has wrinkle, the skin has wrinkly. We much to teach her that. Hopefully very much funny, humorous, supposed to, expected, million means 10 lakhs, plenty means many or more, attic means space just below the roof to store things. That is, we can store rooms के up. That is called attic. Scornful means hateful. Here Margie has scornful as geography. Here in the chapter we learn about the adverbs too. So we learn the figure of speech already there. We learn the part of speech already there. In the part of speech, one point is that is adverb. Adverb means when we talk about the action, talk more about the action, that is adverb. In short, we can say that when we add ly into adjective or ily into adjective, when we use ily, when the end of adjective is with y changes into I. So more examples we can find from our textbook. Angry, we can say that angry, here y change into I. Easy, easily, happy, happily, polite, politely, strong, strongly, vivid, vividly. So you can learn more and more adverbs from the textbook and try to complete your exercise. Hope you understand this chapter of page number 5 very much clear.